Does Tesla Cybertruck has a smart summon feature? A Cybertruck owner shared a video of Cybertruck at an airport picking him up with the smart summon feature. This is actually not true. Smart summon is not currently available on the Cybertruck. Multiple times during the video you can see someone else in the driver's seat, who gets out, walks around the car and enters through the passenger door. The smart summon features is not yet implemented on the Cybertruck, with some users specifically mentioning the absence of these features. However, updates to Tesla's software and features are ongoing, so it might be introduced in future updates. Smart summons works only for very short distances and small parking lots. We look forward to times when it will actually go from parking garage to pick us up at the airport. Or maybe come from home to pick us up at the airport.